Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 PNP detected fatal BSOD error. Power up and wait for the blue Windows screen with the spinning circle. When you see that, press and hold power button to shut down. After shutdown, power back up and do the same thing again. Power up for the third time and you should get repair screen. Click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Type chkdsk space c colon space /f space /x. Type exit. Second method is click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click System Restore. If any restore points available in your system, select and continue. Third method is click Troubleshoot. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4 to start with safe mode. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click your display adapter, click Properties. Click Rollback Driver, click OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.